What's so funny, TSM?
What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. And I hit that subscribe, them reviews off the chain. What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. I hit that subscribe, them reviews off the chain. What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. What you saying? I'm a Graham fan. I hit that subscribe, them reviews off the chain.
Hey, they gon' review it like that. If you watch this one, you gonna come back. That be the channel, boy, that's where it's at. Reviewing the drinks and the products and snacks. I don't speak nothing but facts. You watch it, you gonna come back. I don't speak nothing but facts. Better be watching that you coming back. Hey.